Hi, my name's Chris and I'm here from Aid Training, and here are my top 5 tips for paediatric first aid. In at number 5, you can use plasters. The plasters that are found in your first aid boxes are hypoallergenic. They're not going to cause a reaction with the child. At number 4, schools can now carry spare adrenaline auto-injectors. If it's part of the casualties care plan, then they can receive a second dose from a spare injector. Also be aware that if it's the child's first ever anaphylactic reaction, talk to the ambulance service. They may well advise that you administer one of the spare pens that you hold. At number 3, you can remove splinters. However, if the splinter is deeply embedded or it's embedded in a joint within the child, take them to a minor injuries unit and allow the healthcare professionals to remove it for them. At number 2, grazes respond very well to simply washing with soap and water and then being dressed appropriately. And at number 1, my top paediatric first aid tip: get on a course. Remember, plasters in your first aid kit are fine to use on children. Adrenaline auto-injectors may be held as spares in schools. Splinters can be removed. Grazes may be washed and dressed appropriately. Get on a first aid course. If you would like to view more of our films, or inquire about our blended learning, or book training for when and where you need it, contact Aid Training.